Here I've got HUAWEI GX8 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick display, choose wallpaper then, and now it's time to select what would you like to change. So you can pick some lock screen wallpaper or home screen wallpaper. Let me start with lock screen wallpaper, pick some from home screen wallpapers or other wallpapers so they will be different, and we can choose for example this one. If you like it, just click on confirmation mark to save the changes. And that's it, lock screen has been applied. So now it's time to change home screen. Just select one from the wallpaper, some from live wallpaper, or you can pick more and choose something from your gallery or photos. And I will pick some from the default options. It can be this one, you can pick fixed wallpaper or scrolling wallpaper. It's up to you, whichever you prefer. And then click on confirmation mark, wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, both wallpaper and lock screen has been changed. So here is your brand new wallpaper. And also if you will lock the device, you will be able to notice this brand new lock screen. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly change it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.